Transform your customer testimonials into powerful 30-second UGC ads. No complex editing skills needed. All within Invideo, ready to leverage the authentic power of user-generated content for your brand. Today, we're diving into Invideo to show you exactly how to craft compelling 30-second UGC ads that convert. First, head over to Invideo and click on the Templates option for UGC ads. We want something dynamic and engaging. I recommend searching for terms like testimonial, review, or customer story. Browse through the available templates and choose one that best suits the feel of your brand and the content you have. This particular template is great for showcasing multiple short clips. Now, let's bring your UGC to life. Click into the video placeholder. Invideo makes it super easy to upload your own customer videos directly from your computer. Once uploaded, simply drag and drop your UGC clips into the designated areas. You can trim your clips by clicking on the video and using the handles to adjust the start and end points. The key to a great 30-second ad is keeping it punchy. Don't be afraid to cut out any dead air or less impactful moments. Next, we'll customize the text. Click on any text box to edit. You'll want to include a strong hook, the customer's key message, and a clear call to action. Think about what makes your product or service stand out and let the customer's words do the talking. Keep your text concise and easy to read. To boost engagement, let's add some subtle animation. Select a text box and look for the animate option. Simple fadings or subtle slides can add a professional touch without being distracting. You can also animate your video clips themselves, perhaps with a gentle zoom or pan, to keep the viewer's eye engaged. No ad is complete without the perfect soundtrack. Invideo offers a vast library of royalty-free music. Search for terms that fit your brand's vibe. Upbeat, calm, motivational, whatever works. Drag and drop your chosen music onto the timeline. You can adjust the volume here to ensure it complements, rather than overpowers, the spoken testimonials. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Click on the download button, choose your preferred resolution, and Invideo will render your high-quality 30-second UGC ad. And there you have it, a polished, attention-grabbing 30-second UGC ad, ready to share and drive real results for your business. Now go create something amazing.